Alright, so let us start by creating an item for the simplest of the scenarios. So let's say I am making a cycle for kids and I want to sell it. Now I can have an item code, let's say F. First character I'm denoting the type of item, so F for finished product. Then the kind of cycle, the target is for kids, so FK, K for kids. And then I have my Nova brand cycles, so I'll say Nova and maybe a design number, so 101, the basic design for kids. So I'll say kids Nova 101, right? And I sell it in pieces, and this is finished goods, and this is for kids, right? Now this will be a material item, stock item, and a produced item. So this is all I need to do if I just want to have this item. So I'll press add, and I can see the item has been inserted, right? Now let's also talk about basic navigation here. So if you see on the general, I had opened this window from maybe purchase or anywhere, but if I go to general, I have this navigation bar. So if I want to check what are the different items I have created, so if I want to look at them and maybe change some information, so I can do that. So how do I navigate? Now it's pretty intuitive. So if I want to go to the previous record, I can click this and it will take me to the previous record. I can keep doing that. I can go to the next record. I can go to the last record and the first record, and I can have a list of items. So if I want to search an item, I can go to find, and this screen now goes into find mode. So if I just click find on the bottom, I'm going to get a list of all my items that are there. So I've created a couple of items, and if I want to look at any one of them, I can choose. So for example, if I want to see what is the detail of this particular item, I can either click and say OK, or I can double click and it will open the basic details of this item. So I can see that okay, this is an item and I have these many in stock and some other basic details, right? Now if I want to add a new item, what I have to do is go to new. So if I click new, you should notice that the bottom button says add now, which means the screen is now prepared to add a new item. So the mode of the screen is important when you are working on the screen. So you can either navigate, or you can bring this to the add mode, or you can take this into the find mode where you can find a particular item, right? And you can also find it here by searching either the code or the name or anything that is available as an information on this window. So if I want to see anything that says 101, so you can see anything that has 101 in either the name or the code will be filtered, and you will be able to see those things. So it becomes easier for you to search your items like this.